Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are exploring something truly extraordinary, powerful, and futuristic: the 2026 Toyota EMBERHORN 10x10. This is not just a vehicle, it is a statement of extreme engineering, unmatched off-road capability, and next-level innovation. Toyota has pushed the limits of design and performance with the EMBERHORN, creating a massive 10x10 all-terrain machine built to conquer environments where ordinary vehicles simply cannot survive. The first thing you notice about the 2026 Toyota EMBERHORN 10x10 is its aggressive and intimidating exterior design. This vehicle looks like it belongs in a futuristic expedition or a military convoy crossing hostile terrain. The massive body structure sits high above the ground, supported by 10 heavy-duty wheels designed to distribute weight evenly and maximize traction. The front fascia features Toyota's bold signature grille, redesigned with reinforced steel mesh protection and integrated adaptive LED matrix headlights. These headlights automatically adjust brightness and angle based on terrain and weather conditions, ensuring maximum visibility in all environments. The body is constructed using ultra-high-strength steel combined with lightweight aluminum and carbon fiber reinforced panels. This combination allows the EMBERHORN to maintain durability while reducing overall weight. The vehicle also features reinforced wheel arches, underbody skid plates, and heavy-duty side protection rails. Every inch of this vehicle has been engineered to handle rocks, mud, sand, snow, and even extreme mountain terrain. Moving to the side profile, the EMBERHORN's massive size becomes even more impressive. The 10x10 wheel configuration provides superior balance, stability, and load-carrying capacity. The wheels are equipped with specially designed all-terrain tires featuring deep tread patterns and self-cleaning channels. The vehicle also includes an adaptive suspension system with independent suspension on each wheel, allowing the EMBERHORN to maintain stability even on highly uneven terrain. The suspension can automatically raise or lower depending on terrain conditions. In off-road mode, the vehicle increases ground clearance dramatically, allowing it to pass over obstacles without difficulty. In highway mode, it lowers slightly to improve aerodynamics and stability. At the rear, the EMBERHORN features a modular cargo system. This allows owners to customize the vehicle for different purposes such as expedition travel, rescue missions, military operations, or heavy cargo transport. The rear section can be configured as a cargo bed, mobile workshop, camper module, or even a command center. LED rear lighting ensures visibility and safety in low light conditions. Now let's talk about the interior, which combines rugged durability with luxury and advanced technology. Inside, the EMBERHORN offers a spacious cabin designed for maximum comfort even during long expeditions. Premium leather seats with reinforced stitching provide both comfort and durability. The seats are heated, ventilated, and electronically adjustable. The dashboard features a fully digital panoramic display system. This includes a large central touchscreen infotainment system combined with a fully digital driver display and additional terrain monitoring screens. The system provides real-time information about suspension position, wheel traction, terrain type, and vehicle stability. The infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, satellite navigation, and over-the-air software updates. The EMBERHORN also includes a premium surround sound system designed to deliver clear audio even in noisy environments. Toyota has also equipped the EMBERHORN with advanced climate control designed for extreme environments. Whether you are in freezing cold mountains or hot desert conditions, the system maintains a comfortable interior temperature. Additional insulation reduces noise and protects passengers from external elements. Under the hood, the 2026 Toyota EMBERHORN 10x10 offers an incredibly powerful and advanced powertrain. It is powered by a hybrid twin-turbo V8 engine combined with multiple electric motors. This hybrid system produces approximately 850 horsepower and over 1,200 nanometers of torque. This enormous power allows the EMBERHORN to carry heavy loads while maintaining excellent performance. The electric motors provide instant torque, improving low-speed crawling ability and off-road precision. The hybrid system also improves fuel efficiency compared to traditional heavy vehicles. The EMBERHORN features a full-time intelligent all-wheel drive system that distributes power to all 10 wheels. Advanced torque vectoring ensures that each wheel receives the optimal amount of power based on terrain conditions. This dramatically improves traction and control. The vehicle also includes multiple driving modes such as rock mode, sand mode, snow mode, mud mode, and expedition mode. Each mode adjusts throttle response, suspension settings, traction control, and torque distribution. Safety is another major highlight of the EMBERHORN. Toyota has equipped the vehicle with its latest advanced safety technologies. This includes adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree cameras, terrain scanning sensors, and autonomous emergency stabilization systems. The EMBERHORN also features reinforced structural protection and advanced rollover protection systems. These systems ensure maximum safety even in extreme conditions. One of the most impressive aspects of the EMBERHORN is its extreme off-road capability. The 10x10 configuration allows the vehicle to maintain traction even if multiple wheels lose contact with the ground. This makes it ideal for extreme expeditions, military operations, rescue missions, and remote exploration. The vehicle also includes advanced water crossing capability, allowing it to safely pass through deep water. Specialized sealing protects critical components from water damage. In terms of technology, the EMBERHORN includes advanced AI-assisted terrain analysis. This system analyzes terrain conditions in real time and recommends optimal driving settings. It also includes satellite communication systems for remote area connectivity. Despite its massive size, the EMBERHORN offers surprisingly smooth handling thanks to advanced steering systems and electronic stability management. Now let's talk about expected price and availability. Since the Toyota EMBERHORN 10x10 is a highly specialized and advanced vehicle, its expected price could range between $250,000 and $400,000 depending on configuration and features. This makes it more suitable for professional users, expedition teams, and specialized operations rather than everyday consumers. In conclusion, the 2026 Toyota EMBERHORN 10x10 represents the ultimate combination of power, durability, technology, and off-road performance. It is designed for those who demand the absolute best in extreme terrain capability and advanced engineering. With its powerful hybrid engine, intelligent all-wheel drive system, luxurious interior, and unmatched off-road performance, the EMBERHORN sets a new standard for heavy-duty all-terrain vehicles. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more detailed reviews of future vehicles, extreme machines, and innovative technology, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.